Do I always do a mic check before events? Yes. Whenever given the opportunity, I always check the sound system. I've been blessed to be a public speaker for more than 30 years to audiences of various sizes, both indoors and outdoors. And when given the opportunity, I do check the mic. I try to understand how close to stand to it, whether it needs to move up or down. And I think that's a lot like my practice to read God's word every day. I get in it to kind of understand how to unpack it with greater skill so that it steeps into me, so that when I am called to share it, I have it buried deep within my heart and it can overflow from my lips. Follow along my channel to hear more stories like this, as I'm Kelly Brinkman, a kinesthetic Christian artist.